Hello students, welcome back to fifth session on permutation and combination. We are solving additional problems on combinations. Just look at illustration 12. In how many ways a student can select 4 subjects out of 8 subjects if 2 subjects are compulsory for every student. So, student should select 4 subjects out of 8. 2 is compulsory. Means 4 he has to select means, for example, one student has to select 4 means for him 2 is compulsory means he has to select 2. How many subjects are there? 8. I mean which 2 are compulsory? 6. Remaining is 6. So 2 subjects should be selected from 6 subjects now because 2 are compulsory, no? So 6 see 2 ways of selecting is the answer. Answer is 15. How you got answer? 6C2 means 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial, that is 4 factorial, into 2 factorial. Answer is 15 ways. 6 factorial means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Into 2 factorial means 2 into 1. How we got 4 factorial? 6 minus 2 is 4. So a library has 8 commas, 9 Kannada books. How many groups of 3 commas and 4 Kannada books can be selected out of them? There are how many commas books? 8. How much should be selected? 3. 8 C3 ways of selecting commas. 9 C4 ways of selecting Kannada. So 8 C3 into 9 C4 will give the answer. 8C3 means 8 factorial minus 8 minus, divided by 8 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Answer is 56. 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Answer is 126. So, 56 into 126, 7056 ways of selecting 3 commas 4 Kannada from 8 commas 9 Kannada books. Just look at what is that? Illustration 14. A box contains 4 blue, 5 green, 6 pink balls. In how many ways selection of 3 balls can be done so that all 3 balls are blue balls? See, there are 4 blue, 5 green, 6. You need to select only 3 balls at a time. First condition, all 3 balls must be blue. Means you should select from blue only. There are how many blue balls? 4. 4C3 ways is the answer. 4C3 means 4 ways. 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Answer is 3. Then, what is that? No green ball is selected. Second condition. There are 4 blue, 5 green, 6 pink. No green ball. So, means only from blue and pink you need to select 3. There are how many blue balls? There are 4 blue balls. There are how many pink balls? 6 pink balls. So totally how many balls are there? 10 balls are there. How much you need to select? Color is not fixed. Any 3. So 10C3 ways. So means 120 ways. Then 2 balls should be pink. 1 should be green. So you should not concentrate on blue. You should select in such a way that 2 balls should be pink. 1 should be green. So there are how many pink balls? 6. 6C2. There are how many green balls? 5. 5C1. 6C2 into 5C1 is the answer. Answer is 75 ways. 6C2 means 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 6 minus 2 factorial means 4 factorial. So answer is how much? 15 into 5 means 75 ways. Now we just go through illustration 15. A cricket team has 6 bowlers, 6 batsmen, 2 wicket keepers. In how many ways a team of 5 bowlers, 5 batsmen, 1 wicket keeper can be selected so that captain, who is also bowler, is always included? See, 6 bowlers are there. You need to select how many bowlers? 5. There are how many batsmen? 6. You need to select 5 batsmen. There are how many wicket keeper? 2. You need to select 1 wicket keeper. But out of that 6 bowler, 1 person is captain. He is a bowler also. Try to understand. So, listen carefully. You are going to select 4 bowlers because captain is always there, no? You cannot. So 4 bowlers out of 5 bowlers, because one get already selected, he is a captain. So 5C4. Then as far as batsmen, so you need to select 5 out of 6. So 6C5. Then there are 2 wicket keepers. You need to select 1, 2C1. So 5C4 into 6C5 into 2C1 ways of selecting 5 bowlers, 5 batsmen and 1 wicket keeper. Try to understand. So 5C4 means 5, 6C5 means 6, 2C1 means 2, 5 into 6 into 2 is 60 ways. Now the question arises, madam, there are 6 bowlers. Why you took only 5? And we need to select 5 bowlers. See, captain must be there on team. His position is fixed. He is a bowler. He is there in bowler team, even though he is a captain. So one person will get reduces out of available bowlers. One bowler is already selected, he is captain. So we need to select 4, 5 out of that one already selected. So 4 only must be selected. 5C4. So 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. 2 factorial divided by 2 minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So answer is 5, 6, 2. 5 into 6 into 2 ways means 2 is equal to 60 ways of selecting 5 bowlers, 5 batsmen and 1 wicket keeper. Just look at illustration 16. A question paper consists of 3 parts A, B, C involving 3, 4 and 5 questions respectively. A student has to answer a total of 7 questions by selecting at least 2 questions from each part. Find the total number of ways of selecting the questions. See, sections A consist of how many questions? 3 questions. Section B, 4 questions. Section C, 5 questions. Try to understand. At least 2 questions from each section. At least how many questions from each section? 2 sections from each section we need to select. At least 2. Try to understand. A student has to answer totally how many questions? 7 questions. So let me first consider out of section A he answered 3, section B 2, section C 2. This is one way. Section A 2, section B 3, section C 2. This is another way. Section A 2, section B 2, section C 3. Totally 7 papers get selected. So these are the 3 different ways of selecting questions from each section, assuming that at least 2 questions must be there from each section and total questions should not be more than 7. It should be 7 only. It should not be less than 7 or more than 7. So 3C3 into 4C2 into 5C2 one way plus 3C2 plus into 4,6C3 into 5C2 is another way. So plus 3C2 into 4C2 into 5C3 is one more way. So 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 3 factorial into into 3 factorial. So answer is 1. 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Answer is 6. 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Answer is 10. So 60 ways of answering section A question, taking 3 questions first time, 2 questions next time, 2 questions next time. So next 3C2, 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Answer is 3. 4C3, 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. 4. 5C2, 5 factorial 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Answer is 10. Plus 3 into 6 into 10, that is 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial into 2. 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Next 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So answer is 60 plus 120 plus 180. There are how many ways? 360 ways of answering section A, section B, section C in such a way that total questions answered must be 7 and there must be at least 2 questions from each section. So this is how to calculate the answer. So from 4 women, 7 men, a committee of 6 persons has to be formed. Find the number of ways in which committee can be formed. If there must be at least 2 women in the committee. So there are how many women? 4. There are how many men? 7. Sorry, yes, 7 men. How many persons of committee should be formed? 6. What is the condition? 2 women must be there. So if you take 2, men will be 4. If you take 3, men will be 3. If you take 4, men will be how much? 2. So total will become 6. So 4C2 into 7C4 plus 4C3 into 7C3 plus 4C4 into 7C2 is the answer for this question. So answer is 371 ways. 210 plus 140 plus 21. So 371 ways of what is that? Selecting how many players? 6 players in such a way that there must be 2 women in the committee. Next one, a committee of 10 is to be formed out of 12 men and 8 women. In how many ways this can be done when at least 4 women are included? At least 4. So there are how many women? 8 women. If you take 4, 10 should be selected, 6 must be from men. If you take 5, 5 must be from men. If you take 6 women, then 4 must be men. If you take 7, 3 must be men. If you take 8, 2 must be men. There is no condition for taking men, but there is a condition that at least 4 must be there, at least. So, 4, sorry, now how much? Women, 8, no. So, 8C4 into 12C6 plus 865 into 1265, then 866 into 126C4, 8C7 into 12C3, 8C8 into 12C2 is the answer. Answer will become 1,24,718 days. First combination 4 from women, 12 from men plus second combination 5 from women, 5 from men plus third combination 6 from women, 4 from men. Fifth combination 7 from women, 3 from men. Fifth combination 8 from women plus 2 from into 2 from men. So sum of this will become 1,24,718 ways of selecting 10 committee of 10 so that there should be how many women? 4 women. At most 4 women are included. One more question. At most 4 means maximum extent 4. It should not beyond 4. It minimum can be anything. So maximum 4 means men will be 6. It should not more than 4. So 3 men will be 7. 2 men will be 8. 1 men will be 9. 0 men will be 10. At most 4 women means maximum 4. Minimum can be anything. Maximum 4 means minimum is 3, 2, 1, 0. So 8C4 into 12C6 plus 8C3 into 12C7 plus 8C2 into 12C8 plus 8C1 into 12C9 plus 8C0 into 12C10. is the answer for this question. So answer is 1,24,718 ways. This is how to select. Now move towards illustration 19. We have, these only two illustrations are left, only one. So from 6 men and 4 women, a committee of 4 is to be formed. In how many ways can this be done so that committee contains exactly 2 women? Committee contains exactly 2 women. Committee contains at least 2 women. Committee contains at least 3 women. Exactly 2 women means 4C2 into 6C2 is the way. Because 4 women are there, exactly 2 women must be there, means we should select 2 from 4, 4C2 into, if you select 2, committee of how much should be formed? 4. Remaining 2 is from men, 6C2. So 4C2 into 6C2 ways means 90 ways. At least 2 women, at least, maximum can be anything. So 2, 3, 4. If women become 2, men will be 2. Women become 3, men will be 1. Women become 4, men will be 0. Sum of this combination will be 115 ways. At the most 3. Maximum you can take 3. Minimum anything. 3 women, 2 women, 1 woman, 0 women. Men 1, 2, 3, 4. So sum of combination of all these 4 ways will become the answer. Answer is 209 ways. This is all about combination. See students, so far we discussed about two important aspects. One is permutation, the other one is combination. In permutation, we arrange the items. In combination, we selected the items. So when we look at particularly practical aspects, it is very clear that so we can identify difference between permutation problem and combination problem. That's a very important thing to be noted. So if we are in a position to identify difference, so easily we can arrive at the answer. So last aspect of this chapter is pending, that is probability. So which is little bit lengthier. So first I'll send you notes on probability. So later we will concentrate on practical aspect relating to probability. Thank you so much. Take care.